Welcome to Bahawalpur TV. Today, we're diving straight into setting up your crypto wallet and creating a Binance account so you can start trading USDT. First, download a trusted wallet like Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Once installed, open it and create a new wallet. Remember, your recovery phrase is crucial. Write it down and keep it safe. Next, set a strong password to secure your wallet. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to set up a crypto wallet, create a Binance account, and transfer USDT to your Binance account. Let's start with the wallet. Download a trusted crypto wallet like Trust Wallet or MetaMask from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and click on Create a new wallet. You'll be shown a recovery phrase. This is the most important step. Write it down on paper and store it somewhere safe, as this phrase is the only way to access your funds if you lose your device. Next, set a strong password to secure your wallet, and once you're in, you'll see an interface showing your balance and available cryptocurrencies. This wallet will act as your personal vault for crypto transactions. Now, let's move on to creating a Binance account. Open the Binance app or visit Binance.com. Click on Sign Up. Enter your email address or phone number and create a strong password. After signing up, you'll need to complete identity verification, also known as KYC, Know Your Customer. Upload a valid ID like your passport or driver's license and follow the on-screen instructions. This process ensures the security of your account. Once verified, set up two-factor authentication, 2FA, for additional security. This adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a verification code from your phone whenever you log in or make a transaction. With your Binance account ready, it's time to transfer USDT. Log into your Binance account, navigate to Wallet, and click Deposit. Select USDT from the list of cryptocurrencies. You'll be given a deposit address. This is the unique identifier where your USDT will be sent. Copy this address carefully. Now, open your crypto wallet app, go to your USDT balance, and click Send. Paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier. Double-check the address and network, usually TRC20 or ERC20, and enter the amount you want to transfer. Review all the details carefully. Mistakes can result in losing your funds. Once confirmed, click Send. Depending on the network, your USDT will arrive in your Binance wallet in a few minutes. That's it. You've successfully set up a crypto wallet, created a Binance account, and transferred USDT. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need further assistance. See you in the next video.